In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your prototype is complete and functioning effectively before sharing it with others. We're going to walk through Adobe XD, looking specifically at how to preview and record your prototype, so you have a clear video of how everything works. First, make sure that your prototype flow is completely set up and functioning. This means that all your artboards should be linked and you've defined all necessary interactions. It's crucial that you check this part thoroughly, because any mistakes at this stage can affect what you're going to capture later on. Once you're ready, open Adobe XD and switch to either design or prototype mode, depending on where you left off. Now, look for the desktop preview icon, which looks like a play button. Click this icon to open up the preview window. This step is essential because it allows you to see how your prototype behaves from a user's perspective. With the preview window open, you'll want to focus on the record button within the interface. Click on this button to start capturing your interactions. The idea here is to mimic how a user would naturally navigate through your design, so go ahead and click any buttons, drag or swipe elements, and highlight any transitions or animations that you want to showcase. Be thorough in this process to ensure that you capture every aspect you want to include in your final demonstration. Once you've finished interacting with your prototype and you feel satisfied with what you've captured, it's time to stop the recording. You can do this by clicking the record button again or simply pressing the S key on your keyboard. Either of these actions will halt the recording process. After stopping the recording, a prompt will appear, asking you to choose a save location and to name your file. Make sure you choose a location that is easy to remember and access later, especially if you plan to edit or share this video soon. Save your recording as an .mp4 file, which offers good compatibility for both sharing and further editing, should you need to do so. Congratulations! Your prototype video is now saved and ready for the next stage. You can easily share this .mp4 file with colleagues or stakeholders to give them a detailed view of your design's functionality. If you wish to go a step further, feel free to open it in a video editor for additional enhancements or annotations. With that, you've successfully captured your prototype's interactivity, ensuring all your hard work is documented and shareable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you in preparing and presenting your design projects more effectively.